English alphabet start with animal. A is for antelope, B is for bear, C is for cheetah, D is for dove is a bird, E is for elephant, F is for fox, G is for giraffe, H is for hedgehog, I is for iris flower, J is for jaguar, K is for koala, L is for leopard, M is for meerkat, N is for nectarine, O is for ostrich, P is for parrot, Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for sheep, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella bird, V is for vegetable, W is for warbler bird, X is for extra tetra a fish, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. You may subscribe my channel and like my video.